Hello all. Uh, all the roads. Just speed record and go through.
by 120 tires.
If you moody enough. Put up my cigarette in the wrong way. Never getting famous anyway. Let's see the XPs, yo. I deal down a 600, and let's just get actually a 300, and then I'm dealing down with these 70k. Kind of a shit is this with this fucking tarmac track? Kind of tires actually, the 100 is perfect. 110, 120 makes no XPs. Fast, but well, 200 XP are missing. But I like it. It's the first car I deal down with these kind of 120% tires. Normally I'm using actually 100. 120 makes it fast. I don't know. But I can come through with the shit, and yeah, it is. That's weird. possible. And I'm the only one on Earth, I think, with having outstanding on the aerodynamic these tires away for drift racing or speed racing, whatever you want to call it. I'm happy for that. Go fuck yourself with this shit. And that's the first car ever I just dealing done with very fast drifting. So this is for myself, actually, some new stuff. I like it. Working. All my 3 years feelings about suspension work has a count weighed on for drift speed and kind of drag. I don't know. I like it. My show actually getting done with ROPS and intelligent shit. You're already so close and having the fine-tuning already done, where actually the AI or KI or the Google or just the YouTube shit can figure it out what the hell you just doing done with the car. First they're working up with a feeling for the car, making the fine-tuning, and just make the aerodynamic kits and all the other stuffs on it, and then maybe it's going fucking shit worse. But you train the car by yourself in the mind, and somehow you came together. And yeah, well, I have to say right now the 120% tires, how's Pro? No, it's actually Formula One tires, close to Formula One tires actually. It's impossible normally to drive, but it's very fast and makes fun. The only thing is every corner. It's not like the corner like 100% tires, like the street tires. 110% is professional drift, 120 is like Formula One for myself, and 90% is like the kind of these broken tires or the real street tires we just bought off a car or something you don't can deal. The 100% actually are the real drift tires here in the game, but 110% is like, the Pro drift tires, and the rest is Formula One. But I like the Formula One right now with these M2 car, or better say we have the compact car BMW. Somehow fits very well, and I like it. I shall actually not forget that I'm cooking nearby, and actually I want to get away for myself and my body system. Drinking the last days a lot of coffee, played a lot of games through, and all this stuff. Complicated story. I'm not a nerd or something, but I have to say, as a 37 years old guy, construction worker, never tease the girl. I just give a fuck. Because I don't like my life since my 6th year as I was starting up the work in the farmhood. Like the work, blah blah blah. But there's so many combinations that are coming in, and that's why, you know, since Need for Speed Pro Street, I like drifting. Not like actually, these, what's it called? Pokemon or something shit. Fuck. And I have to say, this CarX has something being done in reality for good. It's not just a simulator. They're trying the best. Why are they getting out some other games, and these updates just came out here on the CarX DRO? What happened here? They're playing Mortal Kombat or something. They're all the times pressing one button or a super button or these quick buttons. If you beat that guy, you this day, not the hour, not the minute, not the second, not the millisecond, you are the god. If you beat such guy as like that one, and he's coming multi-platform from PC, where he has the whole combinations done, laying down on a ladder and just pressing action down and make the combination already free for you, and you just journey on for some, I have to say, make just tremor or something, you know, and then he's just changing the character near while. What the fuck? I just pressed tremor, I wanna play him, he's just dealing done with the other rest of the 28 characters. What is wrong? Are you okay? Are you fucking an asshole or something? No, he's a fucking bitch ass motherfucking silly motherfucker. He is a nerd. I hate these in Mortal Kombat, especially in Mortal Kombat, especially on CarX. That's why the most time, 80 to 90%, I play by myself because I hate these guys when they're coming up with the professional drift work here in this game. With this silly looking shit car, it looks shit. Can't be fast, can be good in drift, but it looks shit. I hate it since my fucking eternal on rally that I was more than 20 years going through with rally, how a car can be look shit and actually, you know, somehow in rally it work, but drift they want to be silly and looking shit and work like the same on drag. It looks shit, the car looks shit, and then the win. What's the mattering about the shit? The mattering. Sorry. I like show cars. I like shit like this that make nothing worse, like beat it like on feeling. And the most I have to say over 50% all the times, or win all the times against these pro drifters with my show cars. Because it's my feeling. It's kind of, you know, 2 hours of playing right now these whatever, the Compact or something it is on BMW. I like it. This is my first account on DjVolgin, better say, my oh gosh, on CarX, the second account because they're freaker, blah blah blah. I don't want to tell about that one, 13 years long. I just proved myself on Definition CB account getting actually this setup right now, and here on the DjVolgin account, my master account for CarX, to maybe beat some days in next 10-100 years, level 30. I just sent myself actually a setup by myself. Fine, okay, that's good, that's fine as well. And racing and me and there. That was for 4 hours ago. 4 fucking hours ago. And for 6 hours ago, I hated the update. Unbelievable. We have Sunday right now in Germany, Bavaria. Fuck this shit life. Sorry, I have to watch about the cooking. Vegetables, eggs, sausage a bit. That looks good. Can't tell you. You know, I just give a fuck. Nobody's watching anyway. And I don't want to be famous anymore. So this game, and I have to say, it's just a 1 for 5 stars. Because I make a lot of mistakes. The Russian was inverted. Just punish them off. But this game was for myself the first time I saw that after Need for Speed area, how's it calling? Era, here we go, era, a long time term, like the Colin McRae and can block stuff and dirt and blah blah. I really was going more than 200 rally and racing games through. Mostly I hated Assetto Corsa. Saw a lot of racing, and I have to tell myself, I think it is more than 25 years now. If you don't have a license, if you don't have, never drove actually experience like that, and it came to the idea of what is real, what's unreal, what is virtual, what is seriously virtual, but actually try to be started up real. There's more than 20 games, they good. The verse right now on Xbox, what's it calling, X string S or something, whatever, is this Horizon or something they're calling it. It's unrealistic, it's too much gripful, it's kind of you making no lag, you crashing, nothing happened to your car and all these stuff. So Xbox users, like PC users, they can cheat whatever they want to cheat. Instead of Sony persons, they just bought off by America, so it actually is close to Microsoft as well. that Sony loses his license, like Nintendo as well, and all these stuff going consumed by USA. So that means you can cheat or you don't can cheat, and it's nothing anymore worth by reality. I miss Japan somehow. They're seriously wrangling around about the cars and the engines. Right now they're only just crying out, and they may be good in drifting, but nothing special anymore. This kind of the Maya tradition or something, we get lost in this. Then they started up this. They was involved 100% into this. But America makes a deal about it and selling every country their stuff, and I hope I'm dying soon because I hate life. That's the point. That's why I don't have a, girlfriend, a driver license or something. And I'm a Bavarian German. I'm working very hard on construction work. I think I'm doing deal and done. Grown up actually in the farmerhood because my stepmother didn't let me just release myself and just stole my money and stole everything else, like books and stuff for school. And actually another life here, like going so much through. But the part is everybody hates Germany still because they 1916 or 1943 they just very hardcore assholes to all over the world. And so everybody still hates me because, of course, I'm German. So how that feels like, huh? How's that feeling like? It's like you asking a Japanese, actually in Nagasaki, actually, how are you feeling about America? Understand them totally. Understand it totally. Because America is what it is. They need to make money, so they bomb his 2 towers by itself. They order them and all the making the wars and losing them to make another war, maybe to hope to win them, but never happened. So since the Second World War, that's America, by the way. So Asian, but Japan, Philippines, Thailand, it doesn't matter for like kind of I want to wish for that we found out a country to seek them, to get them over with them. How long we maybe can have a peace? I think the peace is like 100 years long, and we found a new generation of something else, and the other one get more terroristic and find together and bomb the whole world. So I think in 200 years or something we're already dead anyway. But don't worry, guys, don't worry. Don't bomb us each other. Don't kill us each other. I think in 110 to 175 years anyway, the sun is exploding and we're not there anymore. And maybe the extraterrestrial keeps us away. With one just punish you sleeping, and thousands till you dead anyway. And the whole world is just not there anymore. That's why I don't believe in God or on some devilish things. There's only Muslims and Catholic. And what we're living here right now is heaven, and the rest is hell. So if you're just going outside of the earth, in the core of the earth, just dying or something, this is hell. The heaven is actually, if you still can think, you can make whatever you want to do and deal done. That's heaven. Seriously, it is. And if it's start up, then like 90% around of us is hell, starting consuming us, actually war and fighting, diplomatic and all this stuff, consuming until we are 1% heaven. Yeah, well, it don't need some time to get consumed anyway. Concerned for the, capitalism and all this stuff and blah, blah, blah. I give you just 40 years. because the military already have these robots, they can fight, have intelligent KI, AI, or whatever you're gonna call it. So there was a movie about for 16 years ago and already makes us ready for that stuff. They already have these stuff. They're plundering around all the times with GVs, like how can a hammer goes with 3 different tires around the economy and stuff like blah blah. They already have perfect robots with KIs in there or AI. They shoot everyone. They will give a fuck in this orders or something. They are getting intelligent and they're making his own KI, AI, and this is not a joke. This is a fucking not a joke. So fuck our wars and just the sci-fi, these religion shit. Skynet is actually there. It is since 12 years here. If you not wake up here right now, I'm sorry. Okay, we spragged off about drifting racing and all these. Well, I don't want anymore. Just came in here on DjVolgin account. Cause see a method actually by myself. You can drift fast and maybe make points with a 120% TireWork car. I ever hate it since 3 years now because it is impossible. But then these kind of compact BMW came out and it works. So I got a lot of cars and maybe I only just get the 120% in the back tire and the front tire maybe 110 or 100%. I get fast, get a lot of points. And what then? The feeling is just gone. Because if I have 100% on this CarX game, it makes fun. It takes maybe a half minute or 20 seconds more. Get a lot of multiplicators. You just get actually a lot of sideways to go for. Then you can deal down with 120% of a TireWork, right? So it's bullshit. And they're dealing it down since more than 11 years now with 120% F1 Formula 1 tires. And today, after 2.5 to 3 years now, I'm trying this out as well. How silly. That has a reason I'm dealing down with this shit, right? It is because this new car Nimble. That's it. If I'm going to a kind of a Lamborghini or something, or these other cars like these JDM or something, this game makes me boring in seconds. That's why I'm trying all the cars out with 100% TireWork only. Do you think the Japanese or these JDMs are tried it out by 100%? They get so bored they try it out 90% and then they, they are more like 9 to 11 years already in this game and just get bored finding new methods. I am in here for years. I hate to watch YouTube videos over CarX. I'm dealing down by myself because I am myself. I'm one of the world record holders in Need for Speed Pro Street on the PlayStation 3. If you don't know, Death Reaper account. I just was all the times in drifting very good, and the fucking drag race and wheelie competition I was very fucking good. I was always kind of these top 5, top 3 all over the world. And then these games came out here and there. I asked myself, is there a drift game out there? And I found out actually there's CarX, and it was for free. Yeah, good 3 years now. And I tried myself, I think a half year. I couldn't handle this one. At the same time, a PlayStation 4, I just tried a set of cars that was a piece of shit anyway. That was too complicated, too much fucking complicated. I was angered to go back actually CarX. And I mean, that was 2020 September or something with that Flickr account. Come back on CarX. Find my best way. So here we go again on my third account because somebody hacked my account that Flickr. Over 800 games. kind of these $60,000 to $70,000. Who cares? It was still inbound, and a lot of controllers spent. This is actually my 61 controller right now on the PlayStation 4. I killed 9 PlayStation 3s, but maybe 23 controllers on PlayStation 3. But not so much controllers like on PlayStation 4. I was getting, this is my second PlayStation 4. It's more than actually kind of what we got it. 11 to 12 years now. A joke. And these controllers are costing $60 to $90. This is double times a fucking game. But when I'm watching like the NBA or what is this other one, these stupid whatever, $150 for basketball game from last year or this year or whatever, I give a fuck for the Super Edition. Hey yo, what's dealing done with your daftness? You have a daftfish? You have? You American? Oh, gotcha. Whatever. Just go to work because I need the money to get away actually my sorrow. Not actually to pay down my apartment. Pay down actually something else, or bills about these energy or just the internet or something. I'm okay. My stepmother stole 6 years actually my books for learning. Stealing down my hops money. Every fucking year, every fucking day, everything I just did or something, she stole away my life. Then I was 12, was going to patchwork family for 3.5 years long. Then I was growing up somehow. My grandmother was saying we want to make actually a license for a car. I just tried, deal done. A lot of hours, $1,600 away. In the end, it just failed. Then I was building up actually for a license driver. Actually a house and some kind of a facility. He was saying you can do your driver job by myself actually for zero, for no money. Then the army just called, the army, waited for that one. Then I was actually in the end 26, 27, I just thought fuck this shit. Don't have a girlfriend, don't have a mother, don't have a father, don't have a family, fuck this fucking driver license, all this stuff. You know, I've worked my life, and that's what I'm dealing done. I've been dying actually like in Egypt for 40 years or something, but this is this life, not like in Egypt for a long time ago, for half to 5,000 years ago, something. I think it was the Aztec or something. But it doesn't matter, you know. It's just kind of, this is not happening here. But in Germany, the best example, I backed my life actually since kind of these, you know, 31 years. I backed myself to have gun happen to myself. There's no gun. The army time is something different. You are with them. You want to protect them. That was, my mind was a different trained. But all the times I came out or something, what the fuck, why you don't keep something? I don't know. I'm blinded. Since more than actually 15 years now, I just working on construction work and trying to help out other persons, but I can't help myself. So there's always some aggressivity in my life. Why I'm still alive, because I hate myself. Can look as shit as good as you can be trained, can be a hardcore asshole. Doesn't matter. I hate myself for why I'm still alive. I'm the guy I was starting up to work about 5 to 6 years old in a farmhood for no reason, because my father wasn't there, trying to figure out how and just who the hell I am. Of course, there was always these mangas and these hentai and maybe the anime and all this stuff. Say hentai because these sexual shit. But you know, the part is always like, is that real? Is it not real? But I was more like focused, like actually this kind of watching it to the fucking heaven, seeing so many stars and all this stuff. You just a parcel or something from something. Then I was going to the patchwork family. There was actually 9 own daughters. These kind of don't make a relationship with them. So you just would. You just, that chicken and these other, actually these female chicken, sorry, peacock. So that's why I'm making this up all the times to saying I'm the alpha peacock. Yeah, whatever. Life shit, you know, so still I'm alive. 37 years old and don't fuck around or something else. So do I give a fuck on you? Yes, I do. Actually, I do. This helper syndrome shit. Every fucking second I just can't say to myself, throw yourself, just kill yourself, just go actually somewhere else and just shoot yourself in the police apartment. I mean, police have to survive actually a 2 hours long strangle with an electronic stuff device in your back or something. I still survive, but I'm get crippled and all this stuff, so boring. There's a lot of things how you can kill yourself, but there's kind of this part I just don't want. In work, in real life, just to say to kill yourself is something like you need to protect yourself for your family, don't make it messed up too much. It's not easy. I wish myself sometimes I just disappear to another, I don't know, world or something. That makes no sense, right? These shitty fucking feelings. Sorry, I need to go to the oven and just shut it off. Oh gosh, it's late. Late. It's getting Sunday. Yeah, it's already Sunday. God damn it. Oh, I just shut it off. Open. Living alone and all this stuff. Clean up in here and there. There's only your friends like Spider. For 2 days ago, there was a grasshopper. I was surprised how long the grasshopper was actually in my apartment here. Crazy stuff. That was my last clip here on YouTube. Definition for real was something I found out actually you can't find on Google definition or DjVolgin or whatever. There was a fame and just gone because somebody hacked me away. What's that? Knocking? No, you don't need, right? Huh? Oh. I struggled. Seen people somehow, they're not talking, they're just doing. They're fast, they're good, something like. Trying this game since 3 years. I never just was saying, okay, actually worse. Okay, that was maybe the first 3 months. That kind of a collapse on these tuning, how to tune a car, suspension, all this stuff, because it was very complicated in here by yourself. I'm not the guy that's watching YouTube for this game. Hey, seriously. I just want to make fun in this game. I just want to be involved somehow. I make the best out of it. And that's why I just want to start actually the 4th account Need for Speed Takeshi Sato to maybe with or without YouTube starting up a new career, making trophies. I don't know why, because drifting makes fun and making trophies as well. I was a trophy hunter very hardcore on DjVolgin. Just get fucked away from a hacker. That is kind of a lot of gains. Right now I just have 2 accounts and getting swagger back with my Safe Wizard account and stuff, like actually starting up to hex detering and editoring and all this stuff because I'm very pissed off. And so the trophy list stopped right now by the 31 game or something on Definition account and DjVolgin account by 166, as I have already 400 games or something. And that's okay, that's fine, okay. Because I'm actually uploading myself these games from DjVolgin account and downloading it by Safe Wizard, converting them and just getting into it and having fast trophies. Because this is my honor. 13 years DjVolgin account, a lot of games, just a hacker came, stole my account, just get away. Sony was saying, can find some, proof or something for that, and We give a fuck on you. That's Sony. So I thought, okay, Silicon Island, America, right, cool. Sony just bought off actually from America now. That was 2022, 2nd November. Never will forget that. So I called more than 6 months long to them and all the times asked them what's going on here and there, and then, you know, they give a fuck on you. You paid a lot of money, kind of actually $70,000 to $80,000. Played 13 years long on the same account after the army time, and they just give a fuck. You know, normally you should actually buy CDs only or DVDs or Blu-rays, you know. They're starting up actually to all this digital shit like the PlayStation 5 are dealing down with it. But if you have a chance, rip them off, fire them off, send them bombs. You know, they're making a lot of money. These people say on cell phones, you're thinking all the time they're making just $2 or something in an hour. They just get paid from companies actually to say you actually the truth. We can't help you out or something. They get a lot of monies. Save these motherfucking asses away. To let you know actually you played a lot of games and Bethesda don't want to pay back actually a little fee or something to you. They just give a fuck and hang off. And earning $100 in these motherfucking 25 fucking minutes. Well, whatever. Fuck's life. Nobody knows. Give a loud. Can't explain. Normally need a 1.5 minutes more for the same result. But as a new car, it's been playing actually since 8 hours now with this vehicle. Better say I bought that car for 8 hours ago. 40 minutes or something, I'm playing it right now. Fuck life. Make some extra shot tomorrow. I have enough today. Look at that, what I have to deal done. A 1.1 million on drift points. What kind of an asshole came on the idea for that shit? What kind of an asshole? To reach level 28. What kind of an asshole? A 6.46 something million you need to reach to a level 30. Maybe in 2 years. And you know I'm dead already. This game is a piece of shit for this DP points. For this reaching, actually plotting. Forget about it. It doesn't matter how fast you want to drive a car or dealing done actually with drifting. It's kind of this part of how many XP just dealing done in an hour. Kind of this shit, you know. Makes no sense. Cool, somebody likes me. Yay! You fucking kidding me? This is bullshit. What are you doing done with? This game is very boring. Essentially, very boring. Have a nice time. Bye bye. I just don't want to play it today anymore. Just give me a reason for what. Give me a reason for why I'm just playing this game in the next 6 years to reach platinum. Give me a fucking reason for that. There's no reason. There's nothing left. %. This game sucks, but I have a fun time and I don't want to actually live stream this game anymore.